Hello class, I'm getting a few questions about how to complete this species interaction matching assignment. So I thought the best way to handle this would be to share this with you and post everything to the message board or the announcement section. Notice in the first row here, we go over a couple of things. We have like letters A, B, C, D. We have another row of 4 all the way down to letter P. When you hit begin for this assignment, you'll have these same choices here. And then down below, what you have down here is all the possible answers. So it's predator-prey, competition, commensalism, mutualism, and parasitism. So let's take, for example, let's just pick any one of these. We'll look at letter F. Just to give you an example, left is fairly obvious here in this situation that this is a predator-prey relationship. So what we would do is come down here, we would find our letter F, and we would drag it into the predator-prey relationship. So that's kind of the basic of what you will do here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and finish this, and no real sense or order here, but just kind of drag some of our answers into different spots here, just so you can see exactly what you will be doing to finish the quiz. And once you're done, I don't believe that I had these so that there were the equal amounts in each one. But once you're done and you have no more left to drag, you'll see the option to submit in 2 places, in the top or in the bottom. It doesn't matter which one you pick. You click submit, and then there's a confirmation. Click that again. And what you'll see over here is your score. So my current score, I got a 0 out of, now as my second attempt, I get a 0 here. But that kind of will go over how you are scored on this assignment. If you have any questions, and that also shows you how to complete that assignment, please feel free to inbox me. Thank you.